Welcome to SIGNHOUSE TV. In this brand new episode, I would like to discuss about the two innovative commercial display solutions from Absen. The Absen KL series, which is used for fixed installation, and the Absen Icon series. First of all, let's talk about the KL series, which offers a wide range of LED display for fixed indoor installation that integrates with a perfect balance of visual performance, ease of operation and price. The KL series is well suited for the retail, hotel, corporate and all other indoor applications. This series of fixed indoor LED screen is a great option for the project contractors and integrators who usually buys the LED modules and other components to assemble to make the LED display for their various projects. Now let's talk about some of the features of KL series. The first feature is ready to use display. Instead of assembling the component on site, Absen KL series comes with a ready to use display or a cabinet display which help us to save the time and labor cost. This also helps us to improve the installation quality by achieving the proper alignment and flatness of the screen. Next feature is outstanding visual performance. With a reputation of giving high quality product, Absen always chooses the safe and reliable raw materials to make its product, which help them to give a high level brightness, grayscale, contrast ratio and refresh rate for all their products. Screens from Absen have been calibrated after going through a series of critical product tests which give them a visual uniformity and also the ability to maintain the product quality or the product lifespan at the component level. And with the fine die-cast aluminum panels, which also ensures the flatness of the screen, KL series delivers a high visual impact. This design enables the multiple installation methods such as wall mounting, hanging and freestanding. The product comes with a standard cabinet size of 640 by 480 mm which consists of 6 modules of 320 by 160 mm. KL series is a front and rear installation and maintenance product which is made of a high precision die-cast aluminum cabinet with a depth of 70 mm and weighing at 7.8 kg per panel. With power supply, receiving card, cable and other components inside, KL offers the best installation and maintenance solution to end users. With all these amazing features, we can say that Absen KL series is a unique add-on product to the Absen existing commercial display portfolio. The next and latest addition to the Absen commercial display portfolio is Absen Icon series, which is an all-in-one LED display for conferencing with a standard large size and 16:9 standard aspect ratio. This series is specially designed for meetings and presentations in spaces such as high-end meeting rooms, lecture halls, auditoriums in schools, corporate and government, and also in other indoor environments where you need a fixed LED display for effective communication. Absen Icon series aim to facilitate everything from a better conference presentation to an improved brainstorming session between the colleagues in a more professional way. Now let's talk about the exciting features of Absen Icon series. Absen Icon series comes with a user-friendly interface and dual operating system which makes it compatible with both Windows and Android. So it is going to be a better option for businesses looking for comprehensive and reliable options. One of the main and unique feature of Absen Icon series is the screen sharing function, which supports the image display from 4 different inputs at one time, which makes it an excellent tool for collaboration. Absen Icon series comes with a slim and sleek design with 5 mm frame and 28.5 mm depth to the screen body. The screen to body ratio reaches 94%, which provides a superb seamless large format images. Absen Icon series comes with a brightness of 350 nits, which is adjustable depending on the different environments whether it is dark or bright. Absen Icon series comes with a high contrast ratio of 5000:1 with an ultra wide viewing angle of 160 degree. Absen Icon series is an all-in-one solution that integrates control box, operating system and sound system inside one box, which eliminates the traditional control box and video processor. The hidden cable design also makes the whole screen look slim and beautiful. With the help of new smart control system, the operation of Absen Icon series is easy as that of a TV. You can easily turn on and turn off, switch the digital channels, change the brightness and OSD menu with the help of remote control. By scanning the QR code, you can share the screen of a computer, mobile device or iPad while taking the notes on the device during the conference. Absen icon series can be installed just by 2 people in 2 hours with the 2 installation methods which is available. One is the wall mounting and the other one is the freestanding or the mobile standing. Absen icon series comes with friend maintenance, and one module can be removed only within 2 seconds with a specially designed tool, which makes the installation very quick and convenient in actual use. These are some of the features of Absen icon series and KL series. If you would like to know more about the product and if you have any project, kindly get in touch with us. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.